Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your email on Outlook. Whether you're using Outlook for personal use or business purposes, getting your email configured correctly is essential for seamless communication. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Outlook. Start by launching the Outlook application on your computer. You can find it in your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Add account. Once Outlook is open, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. If this is your first time setting up an account, you will see an option to add an account. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Add Account. Step 3. Enter email address. In the Add Account window, enter your email address. Click Connect to proceed. Step 4. Choose account type. You will be prompted to select the account type. Depending on your email provider, select either IMAP or POP. IMAP is recommended for accessing your email across multiple devices. Step 5. Input server settings. After choosing the account type, enter the incoming and outgoing mail server details. If you are unsure about these settings, you can usually find them on your email provider's website. Make sure to fill in your username and password for your email account. Step 6. Additional settings. Click on More Settings if you need to configure additional options like server ports or security settings. Under the Outgoing Server tab, make sure to check My Outgoing Server (SMTP) requires authentication. Step 7. Complete setup. Once all the settings are correctly entered, click OK and then hit Next. Outlook will test your account settings. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message. Click Finish to complete your setup. Step 8. Check Inbox. After finishing the setup, your inbox will automatically sync. You can start sending and receiving emails immediately. Don't forget to customize your settings, such as adding signatures, setting up your calendar, and organizing your folders for a more efficient experience. We hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your email on Outlook. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.